Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this cooker hood from Faber. It is the model 2740 base X A60. So let's unpack and see how it looks. It is stainless steel. Wow, I like it. I like the metal finish. So at the front we have obviously the on-off switch for the LED lights. I will show you the LED lights, the LED indicator here, and the speed 0, first, second, third. Nice. Two ways to install this: from the upper hole, there it is, or from the back. I will use the back hole. And of course we have the plug. Ventilation here. And here it is the back side, if it is more suitable for you, and install it from the back, the outlet for the ventilation. Here we have the plastic cover for the LED lights, maximum 40 watt. To open the filter and see the two motors inside, just press these two levers. Now I am upside down, it will be difficult to open, but okay. And if you want, you can remove this. And inside we have the metallic filter. Is holding the filter these two metals. You can remove one here and one here, and of course you can wash the filter, so easy. There it is. The back, it has other color, it is painted. I would like to be in this area stainless steel, but it's not. It is what it is. And inside, of course, we have the two huge motors. And okay, we have some manual, instructions, screws, these two metals for installation. I will show you later the final installation. And inside we have this adapter that goes here. You need to remove this cover plastic, just rotate and remove. And then here we have the arrow, find the right position, press, rotate, and it locks. So here you can connect your PVC pipe, your spiral hose that you have for the outlet. And of course you can install that from the upper side if that is more suitable for you. Nice, I like it. I think it is a good construction. It feels very well manufactured. For now, the only thing that I don't like, it is this cover. It is painted, not stainless steel like the main unit. Maybe other models you have this choice. I have searched online, but I didn't find anything. Now let's plug it in and see how it works before installation. Okay, we have power. Let's turn on. There is the lights, nice bright lights. And now let's turn on and the two motors. First speed. Here it is the outlet. Now we have this switch. If I switch it this way, then the air, it comes out from the front. That's why it is at the front, the ventilation. But I need from the back. Second speed. And third. Wow! let's install again this filter, and I would like to test it with the filter. Again, the light, very bright. So, first speed. Test. Yep. Okay. Second. And third. Of course, the real test will be after installation and see how it works. Let's do that and install this cooker hood. The installation was very easy. I only need 4 screws for wood, because I have installed the cooker hood under the cabinets. It didn't take no more than 15 minutes. I have installed a second filter and I need to replace every 2 to 3 months the filter. It depends, of course, what I'm cooking. If it is with oil, that is the enemy. The cost is only €2 for the filter. Definitely the filter, it will extend the life of the cooker hood. Lights are very bright, I can see very well when I'm cooking. Easy to access and control the switch for the light and for the fan. The switch for the fan is a little bit clumsy. They need to have a better quality switch. There is no LED indicator on the front. I don't think so we need. I'm boiling water. First fan speed, we can see it can't extract all the air. It is in low speed. Now on the second speed, we can hear the noise. It is very acceptable. With better results for extracting all the steam. And on the third and last speed, results are very good. All the steam was sucked very well by the cooker hood. We can hear the noise is loud, but I don't care about the noise, I care the most to have a good extraction. Overall, I can say for now I am very happy with the cooker hood. Time will tell if anything goes wrong. The cost is about €120. It is stainless steel, but not in the area where is the filter. That is something that I don't like. It is paint, and I think it will be difficult to clean. We'll see how it goes. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.